Remember, we're on the cuffs of so many things happening. Do not forget who you are. Remember yourself and not the noise around you. Understand and understand this is going to be a beautiful shift. It is this shift that will change our reality. It's a shift that will change our lives. What you thought life was in 2019, 2020, 2023, and so on, it will all be a distant memory. And why is that? It's because the shift is happening so aggressively. Your body is trying to reframe itself over and over again to adjust. You may find that your sinuses are cloggy, that you wake up with headaches. You may find yourself feeling a little off keister. That is quite all right. Some of us will eat a lot. Also, that has to do with the solstice. Your body wants to eat to gain a little weight because its thinking in its mind, it's got to prepare for the winter months so you can survive through the winter months. But also, this shift is causing you maybe to eat a little bit more or maybe not to eat enough. But just remember, stay in the flow. Stay purposely within yourself. If something comes up, deal with it. It is your opportunity. It's a challenge to give you the opportunity to heal inner wounds that you totally forgot about. You see, they hide in our chakras. When we feel trauma or we feel insult or we feel shame or we feel that we've been hurt, what we do is sometimes we hide that into our chakras. And this is a time that our chakras are being purged. All this energetic energy that's going through our bodies is forcing us to rethink our lives. We think it's the current affairs. We think it's the noise outside.